You try it again?
Stay calm, okay? Now it's live.
Yeah. It's working now, right?
Can you see?
Yes.
You can see? I can't.
Huh? Wait, I share with you. You try the link.
Can see, can see.
Can see now?
Okay, yeah. Now share the link quick.
Okay.
Can see now? Yeah. Now share the link quick. Okay, can see now? Okay, no worries. Go check.
Yeah.
You do the things. I'll share it on WhatsApp. I'll share on WhatsApp.
Hello, everyone. Okay, we'll just wait for a few more minutes and then we'll start. How's the test for everyone? Oh, is it easy? Or is it hard? If you think it's easy, you can type 1 in the comment. If you think it's hard, you can type 2. Oh, it's easy. Good. I see Hao Yang. Alright, let's do a quick check. If you can hear me, can you type 1 in the comment section? Okay, if you can hear me, you can type 1 in the comment section. Okay, good. Oh, so easy. Alright, everyone, it's about time, so let's get started. Oh, I'm Teacher Bochen from Kangaroo Study. Welcome to our channel again. Now, before we start on the GP Round 1 review today, let me introduce myself. It's about me. I've been teaching in Singapore for the primary math Olympiad for over 6 years. Now, from this period of time, so these are some highlights from my past students. Now you notice that there are many competitions here. You might be wondering, teacher, what are these competitions? Now let me tell you one by one. Now for the NMOS, this is what most of you will go for when you are in P5. This is a P5 competition. Then the APM OPS, this will be a primary 6 competition. It's very tough. And RMO as well. This one you can draw in P5 or P6. And then lastly the MSO, this will be what you get when you go through the NMOS. Now if you get into top 20 in the whole country, you get a chance to represent Singapore in the international math competitions here. So you can see that these students, they've gotten these results. Now I'm hoping to help all of you. So when you go to high levels, this would be you here. Okay, I'm hoping all of you could get these good achievements in the future. So if you got any question, feel free to ask me anytime, anywhere. And these are from the 2024. So same thing here. These competitions. So we're going to have more experience with these competitions when we go to the higher levels. So that's about me. Now about the class today. Today we are going to go through 3 things. So the first objective for us is to discuss how hard was the GP Round 1 today. The GP Round 1 test, and how hard was it compared to the previous years. And the second thing, we are going to solve the tricky questions in the Round 1 here. Now some of the questions, it requires us to do a bit of thinking here. So those are the things that we are going to discuss today, and we are going to discuss the method behind them. And lastly, we're going to compare between the Round 1 and the Round 2. We will notice, we are going to see what are the difference between the type of questions that are asked and how can we get ready for the GP Round 2. So without further ado, let us take a look at the first question. Now before that, we are going to discuss how difficult was the paper. So everyone, if you think the paper is easy, you can type 1. If you think it's hard, you can type 2. Let's do a quick check here. Good. I'm seeing a lot of 1s here. So from our feedback, it also seems that this year's paper is quite easy compared to the previous years. Many students say, no, they are going to get full mark for the paper. Very good. I'm seeing a lot of 1s. So this means that you put in the efforts, this paper seems easy for you. Very good, everyone. Good. So this is about the paper. Now we know that this year is quite easy compared to the previous years. So we are going to pay more attention to the details here. We have to make sure that for some of the tricky questions, we have also need to get them correct. So without further ado, let us take a look at our first question here. Now in this question, they're asking which figure has 47 matchsticks. This was question 27 in the paper. So looking at these figures, now first one, we got 2 squares there. Second one, there are 4 squares there. Third one, we got 6 squares there. Now are we going to draw all of them until the figure with 47 matchsticks? Yes or no? If you think it's yes, we must draw all of them, you can type 1. if you think that, oh, we don't have to draw all of them, that's a waste of time, you can type 2. Good, I'm seeing people typing 2 here. So this means that we don't have to waste our time to draw the figures. Oh, we know that the time is very precious here, and we only got 75 minutes to answer all 40 questions. So let's think, they only give us 3 figures. Now if there's no pattern among them, oh, there's no way for us to solve it. So there must be some pattern between the number of matchsticks. So let's check. Now, first figure, how many matchsticks are there? Can you tell me in the comment section? How many matchsticks are there in the first figure, everyone? Oh, good. Hey, but we gotta check again. Is this 9 matchsticks? Oh, good. This is 7 matchsticks here. So let's write it down. Oh, this is 7, yes. Oh, this figure 1 is 7 matchsticks. Now how about figure 2, everyone? How many matchsticks are there in the second figure? So let's do a quick check. Now, if you know the answer, you can tell me in the comment section. Oh, good. Wow, I'm seeing the correct answers here. Very good. So this will be 12 matchsticks. Let's write it down as well. 12. Oh. Now, how about figure 3? How many matchsticks are there? Good. Figure 3, we have the correct answer here. This is 17. Oh, 7, 12, 17. Now I'm already seeing the correct answer here. Good. And what's the pattern here? Every figure we need to add a number here. What's the number? In each of the figure, we need to add a number here. What's the number here? Good. Oh, I'm seeing the correct answer. Very good, Pengju. This is 5. So let's write it down. Hey, plus 5 here. Oh, 7 plus 5 becomes 12. And then after that, 12 plus 5 will get the 17. Now, are we going to just keep on adding 5 to do the listing until 47? Good. Oh, I'm seeing the correct answers here. Well done. Oh, so if we add 5 again, this will be 22. Now, of course, we can just keep on doing this, but it seems that this is quite tedious. So we can just check here. Now from the first figure to the second figure, when we get a new figure, what we did is we have added 5. Now from second to the third, we get another new figure, we added 5 again. So it's always about adding 5 until we get 47. So the thing we need to check now is how many times have we added 7? Have we added 5? So let's check. Oh, from the 7 to the 47. Oh, good. Answer is 9. Very good. Oh, I'm seeing many people have the correct answers already. Well done. Now, from 7 to the 47, we have added 40 here. So let's write it down. 47 minus the 7. We added 40 matchsticks from the figure 1 to the figure we want to find. So plus 40. So since each of the figure is plus 5, we just have to find how many times do we need to go plus 5. So this will be 40 divided by 5. We find that there are 8 times 8 5s in the 40. So every time we add a 5 means we have a new figure. So here we got 8 new figures. So the next thing we want to ask ourselves is, now is the answer just 8? There are 8 figures here. Yes or no? If you think the answer is yes, you can type 1. If you think the answer is no, type 2 in the comment section. Good. Well done. Yes, the answer is not correct. It's not just 8 figures. You know why? We also have the figure 1 here. Now figure 1 is the original figure. This figure we don't have to add a 5 to it. So every time we get a new figure we add a 5. But for the first one, it was already there at the beginning. So we have to include the first figure as well. This will be 8 plus 1. This 1 is for the original figure. So altogether, we have 9 figures here. So let's do a quick summary on this question. Okay. Let's get our summary points. First one. Now we are given this figure pattern. Now just by looking at the figure itself, sometimes it's difficult to solve the question. So what we need to do is we transform them into the numbers and we look for the pattern in the number sequence. So here we have the number pattern. Change them into numbers, then we look for the pattern. And second thing, second key point is when we want to find the number of figures. So what we can do here, we can summarize on what we did to get a formula. Number of figures. This equal to the difference in the total from the figure 1, which is 7, to the figure we are checking, which is 47. So the total difference divided by the individual difference, or the difference between each figure. So this way we'll get a number of new figures. Don't forget to plus 1 in the end. Plus 1 for the first figure. The original figure, we also need to add it in. This way it will give us the total number of figures. Yes, Pengju, very good. I've seen Pengju saying that this one, the 8 is the number of intervals. Indeed, that's the intervals here. Is the gaps between the figures. So every time we get an interval, we need to go plus 5. Well done. Alright, everyone, let's move on to the second question. Now, a t-shirt requires 3 buttons. The dress requires 6 buttons. A total of 10 pieces of clothing uses 54 buttons. How many t-shirts are there? So first, everyone, can you tell me what type of question are we dealing with? Can you tell me in the comment section? What's the type of question here? This one I think it seems quite familiar to me. So if you know the type of question here, you can tell me in the comment section. Ooh, well done. So indeed, this is a chicken and rabbit problem. But some of you may be asking, teacher, where is the chicken, where is the rabbit? Well, I only see teacher and dress. Oh, well done, Joy. This is chicken and rabbit. So let's look at the original chicken and rabbit problem. Hey, we got the cute chicken and we got the rabbit. Now we know that the chicken is 2 legs, rabbit 4 legs. So we have our question here. Oh, let's say we got a total of 10 animals. They have a total of 32 legs. How many rabbits are there? So how are we going to solve the question? Okay, if you know how to solve this one, you can tell me in the comment section. So we got the chickens, we've got the rabbits. Now, if they are mixed, this would be harder to solve the question. But if it's just one type of animals, we can immediately find the number of legs. Oh, good. Right, so what we can do is, very good. I'm seeing correct answers here. Yo, that's right. That's for the t-shirt and the dress question. So about this little short question here, about the chicken and the rabbit, now what we can do is, we can assume all are chickens. So we solve this one first, then we'll move on to the question 2 here. Okay, let's assume that everything is chickens. Well done. Yes, that's the correct answer. Now, if all of them are the chickens, if we got 10 animals, it will be 10 times 2. That gives us 20 legs. So if it's 10 chickens, it's only 20 legs. But in the question here, we have 32 legs. So we have more legs compared to the number here. So we look for the difference. (32) minus let me get the erasers. Okay. Right, 32 minus the 20. There are 12 more legs needed. Yes, that's correct. Right, 12 more legs needed. This means that we have to switch some of the chickens into the rabbits. So let's check. When one chicken change into one rabbit, now the total number of legs is going to increase. So from 2 to 4. So it increased by 2. 4 minus 2. Oh, we get 2 more here. Good. Oh, very good, Joy. Oh, so we have the correct answer here. So 2 more legs each time when you change the chicken into a rabbit. Now we need 12 more legs. So we are going to do 12 divided by 2. We want to find how many times we need to switch from a chicken into a rabbit. So this will be 6 times here. Now this means that 6 of the chickens have been changed into rabbits. So we get 6 rabbits in this question. So we have done it here. Now, back to the question 2. Hey. So in the question 2 here, now it is now about the chickens and the rabbits and more. This is about the t-shirt. So let's say the t-shirt which got 3 buttons. Hey. We can just assume that this is a chicken with 3 legs. It's a special chicken. It got 3 legs here. Now the dress requires 6 buttons. So we can say that the dress is a rabbit with 6 legs. So let's get for the rabbit. Okay. This one got 6 legs. Let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, a rabbit with 6 legs. So now it becomes the chicken and rabbit problem. 10 pieces of clothing is same as 10 animals here. Oh, 54 buttons become 54 legs. So the method we are going to use is also the same. We can do the assumption method. Assume all are dressers here. Now there is one little thing we can take note of. If they want to find the t-shirts, we can always assume the opposite. So this way, in the end, we don't have to do one extra step here. We'll just get the numbers we want to switch from one thing to the other. So if all of them are the dresses, each of them is 6 buttons. The 10 pieces of clothing, so that would be 10 times 6. Just like many of you have told me here. Oh, good. This will be 60 buttons. So the next thing we need to do is we find the difference here. Actually, it only used 54 buttons. So 60 minus 54. Oh, this is 6. So we want to get 6 less buttons. So this means that not all of them are the dresses. We have to switch some of the dress. So one dress. When we switch it into one t-shirt, the total number is going to decrease. So the dress is 6. T-shirt is 3. Every time we do the switch, we got 3 buttons less. So altogether, this is 6 less. So we do 6 divided by 3. Good. Answer is 2. Green, you got it right. So this is 2. Okay. We need to make 2 switches, so means 2 of the dresses are switched into t-shirts. This means we got 2 t-shirts here for this question. Okay, and you got to be careful. They are asking for the t-shirts, so the answer is 2. If your answer is 8, that means this will be 8 dresses. Okay, make sure you answer the correct one. Well done. So now let's do a quick summary on this one here. Let's summarize on the question. So this is a chicken and rabbit problem. Now the key thing for us is to identify whether this is a chicken and rabbit problem. So there are 2 things we can take note of. First one, there must be 2 different items here. In the chicken and rabbit problem, is the chicken and the rabbit. Now in this question, it will be the t-shirt and the dress. Those are the 2 different things. Now once you have the 2 different things, we can also check for the total. Now there must also be 2 different totals here. Now one of the total is the total number of animals, the total number. And in this question, it will be total number of clothing here. The other total is the total amount. So in the chicken and rabbit problem, is the total amount of legs. In this one here, is the total amount of buttons. So we got 2 different total number and total amount. And lastly, when we do this type of question, the method we use, this is what we call the assumption method. We assume all of them are one type. From there, we find the difference. After that, we also need to check for the individual difference between the 2 items. Now use the total difference divided by the individual difference. If you get the number of items, we need to switch from one type to the other. So this will be for the question 2 here. Alright everyone, let's move on to the next question. So this one, it was the last MCQ question. Now the number of 50 cents, this was twice the number of $1 coin. After spending 3 50 cents and 2 $1 coins, Jack is left with $8.50. Now how many 50-cent coins did Jack have at first? So how about this question here? We have two types of coins, so 50 cents and $1. So the important thing they tell us is at first the 50 cents is twice the number of $1 coins. So if we group them, for the 50 cents, wait, huh? 50, and then the $1. Okay. Now suppose let's get another question. If we got 50-cent coins and $1 coins, okay, and then we get more 50 cents and more $1 coin. Oh, that's for another group. So all the way to the end, it's given that the total value of the 50 cents plus the total value of the $1, this will give us $15. So everyone, can you tell me in this question, how many $1 coins are there? Okay, let me repeat the question again. So the number of 50 cents is 2 times the number of $1 coin. Altogether, this total value is $15. Wait, let's change it a little bit. Let's change the value. This 15 is now a very nice number. Let's change it into a 14. Okay. Oh. If altogether is $14, how are we going to solve it? Okay, so you have, wait. Let's get the numbers, 50 cents, 50 cents, and the $1. How can we solve this one here? Anyone knows how many $1 coins are there in total? Or you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, so in this one here, number of 50 cents is 2 times of the $1. Altogether is $14. So what's the answer here? Yep, you are right. Oh, that's for the question 3 here. Yes, your answer is correct. And how about this one here? Oh, one group is $2. Very well. Good. You see, the one group, you got 50 cents, 50 cents, and the $1. Altogether, this will be, so the $1 plus 50 cents times 2. Oh, that's a total of $2. Now, you check the second group, is it also $2? 50 cents, 50 cents, and $1 altogether, that's also $2. So every group is $2. We just have to find how many groups are there. So if the altogether is $14, so we can just divide by 2. Oh, we find there are 7 groups. And after that, you just have to look for the number of $1 in each group. So we can clearly see there is only one $1 coins here. So this will be 7 times 1. Okay. For this question here, it will be 7. Oh, well done. Yes, this will be 7. So you can notice that in this question, when we know it's 2 times of the other, then we can just simply group them according to this relationship. We'll get 2 50 cents and the $1 in each group. Now let's get back to the question 3 here. So let me erase. Okay. Now we are able to solve the question 3 here. Okay. The number of 50 cents is twice the number of $1. So again, we are going to group them the same way. 50 cents, 50 cents, $1. Now the next group will be the same. 50 cents, 50 cents, $1. So all the way to the last group, which will also be the same. 50 cents, 50 cents, and the $1 coin here. Oh, good. Yes. Just now it was a different example question. Not for this question here. So for this question here, now it says that when we spend 50 cents, so let's take out 1, 2, 3. Remove 3 50-cent coins and remove 2 $1 coin. Minus 1, minus 1. So now we are left with $8.50. But we can notice is the group complete again. Right? You notice that some of the groups, these are not complete anymore. Here we are missing the 50 cents, $1. Here we are missing the $1, 50 cents, and the 50 cents. Now, in order to get back to the complete groups, we get all the groups back together, so they follow the ratio of 2 to 1, then we have to add back those that we have removed. So what we can do here, let's check what's the amount of money that's spent. So for 50 cents, we have 3. For $1, we have 2. So 2 $1 coin plus 50 cents times 3. Yes, very good. So we get this part is $3.50. So we have spent $3.50. Then now the group is not complete. So in order to get it back to the original group, we can just add it back to the total. So at first, the total will be $8.50 plus $3.50. So this will give us the number 12. $12 in total. Now this is $12 in total, and the next thing we are going to find is the number in one group. Okay, good. So this is $1 plus 50 cents plus 50 cents. Altogether, that's $2. So we can get the number of groups now. $12 divided by $2. Yes, answer equal to 6. Very good. There's 6 groups. And then they're asking how many 50 cents did Jack have at first. So you check the 50 cents, we got 2 of them in each group. So what should we do? What's the answer? Final answer? Can you tell me in the comment section? Let's get the total number. 6 groups. How many 50 cents are there? Yep, there are 6 $1. Good. Oh, 2 times 6. Very good. So this is 6. 6 times 2. Oh, so we have 12 50-cent coins here. Okay. So now for this question, let's do a quick summary. Now this is a grouping question. We have to do the grouping method. Because you can see that if you do guess and check, if you're just guessing randomly what are the number of 50 cents and the number of $1 coins, it will take a very long time. But by using the grouping method, because each of the group is always the same, so once we know about the total, we can just get the number of groups and then we can easily find the number of 50-cent coins here. So in order to get a group, we group based on the relationships between them. So in this question, it will be the multiple relationships between them. Now for some other questions, it can also be an equal relationship. Okay. So some other question, if let's say next time, number of 50 cents and number of $1 coin are equal to each other, then we will get one 50 cent and one $1 coin in each group. But for this one here, it's twice the number, so we're going to have two 50 cents and a $1 coin. Alright everyone, let's move on to the next question. Now this was the second last question from the paper. So it says that A has 14 marbles, B has 13 marbles. How many marbles does B need to give to A? So A's marble are 2 times of B. So before we solve this question, let's do a simple example here. We get an example question. Let's say we have Jack twice the number of Tom. Okay, so take note, this is not the actual question here. We are doing an example question first. And all together, let's say they have 60. So can any of you tell me what's the number for Tom? Okay, let's do this example here. We got Jack and Tom. Jack is 2 times of Tom, all together is 60. Yes, very good, Joy. So for this example, what's your answer? Or you can tell me in the comment section. What's the number for Tom? So let's write Tom equals what number? Let's find it here. Oh, good. Yes, that's right. So Green says that this is 20. So you can see that in this one here, we have a total of 3 units. Now altogether, these 3 units add up to 60. So we can just simply do 60 divided by 3. Or we find the number for Tom is 20. This is 20. This pi is 20, and then this is 20. Altogether, this is 60. Yes, very good. Now the question for here, I'm going to tell you, is as easy as the example question here. Well, they are the same thing. So let's see, why are they the same type of question? Okay, let me just get this part. This is for the example. And now let me get another color. Now for the actual question. And do we know the relationships between A's marble and B's marble? What's the multiple relationships between them? Can you tell me in the comment section, A is how many times of B? Alright, for the question 4 here. Between the number of marbles A and B, for the number in the end, what's the relationships between them? Oh, good. So I'm seeing the correct answer here. So this is 2 times. Let's write it down. Very good. A is 2 times of B. So we draw the model. Now compare to the example questions. Now if we know about the total, this will be a piece of cake. It will be a very easy question. But do we know about the total, everyone? Is the total given to us? Good. A is 2u, B is 1u. So now the next question will be, do we know about the total of A and B? No, right? It's not given in the question. But they did give us the number for A and B, right? They say that A is, let's underline this part, A is 14. Now B is 13. Then after that, some changes happen between two of them, right? B gives some of the marbles to A. So eventually A is 2 times of B. But let's think about one very important point. Now, will the total number change if B gives the marbles to A? Let's think. If B gives some of the marble to A, will the total between A and B change? Alright, if you think the total will not change, you can type 1. If you think that the total has changed, you can type 2. Oh, good. Yes, there's no change, right? Because the exchange only happened between two of them. Let's say B gave A 10 marbles, also B minus 10. Then A received 10 marbles, so A plus 10. So about the total minus 10 plus 10, it will be the same number. So we know that here, the total will not change. So indeed, we can find the total. Total is the constant here. Very good, everyone. This is 14 plus 13. 27. Oh, let's write it down. Altogether, they have 27 marbles. Now we just have to check for the A and B separately. So since this is 3 bars for 3 units, we can find that for 1 unit, this will be 27 divided by 3. Oh, this will be 9. Okay. So we know that in this figure, this part B is 9. Okay. Oh, this number is 9. So for A, this part is 1 unit is 9. 2 unit will be 9 plus 9. Now they want to find how many marbles were given away. Oh, so can you tell me the answer? How many marbles did Ben give away? Okay. If you know the answer, you can tell me in the comment section. How many marbles did Ben give to A? So that Ben have 9 in the end. Good. Answer to the question is 4. Well done. So we have 13 for B. Oh, that's the number at first. So in the end, it was 9. This means that 4 marbles were given away. Oh, so the answer is 4. B has given away 4 marbles to A, so that A is 2 times of B. So for this question, let's also do a quick summary. Now this question is what we call the different sum and multiple. So for the sum and multiple questions, when we draw the model, now, of course, it's based on the relationships between them. So in this question, is 2 times. So find the multiple relationships. So the other thing is, after we find the multiple relationships, we can also check. Now, when one person gives to the other, the total between them will not change. So, one person give to the other, the total will be the same. Okay, because the exchanges only happen between 2 of them. Okay, when one person gives to the other, the total will be the same. That's the second key point we need to take note. Alright, everyone, let's move on to the last question for the day. A shop is selling cookies, so this is a buy 3 get 1 free. We get this promotion here. Sarah spent $24 and received a total of 10 cookies. So how much does 1 cookie cost? How about this question? This was the last question in the paper. But actually, let me tell you, this is not a very difficult question. So it seems like, we got $24. This is 10 cookies. Now, can we just do 24 divided by 10? Then we get the answer directly. Would that be correct? Yes or no? Can we just use the total amount of money, 24 divided by the number of cookies, 24 divided by 10 to get the answer for 1 cookie? Yes or no? If you think is yes, you can type 1. If you think is no, you can type 2. Oh, good. Yes, that's right. Yes, so you notice that we cannot just use the total divided by the number of cookies. Now, because we have some of them for free. So let's underline this part. Okay. For every 3 cookies bought, we'll get 1 for free. So let's draw the cookies. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Then the next cookie will be special. This one is free. This is for 1 group. And then let's get another group of cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one is also free. Now this is a total of 8 cookies already, so the next group there are only 2 cookies. 1, 2. So we can check. This group only got 2 cookies. Well, we still get a buy 3 get 1 free offer. Oh, good. 10 cookies, 6 buy plus 2 free, then plus 2 buy. Yes, that's right, Joy. So you notice that the last group, we will not get a free anymore. Because this is less than 3 cookies, there are only 2 cookies here. So let's check all together. The first group we need to pay for 1, 2, 3. The first 3 cookies. Second group, we need to pay for 1, 2, 3. Third group, we need to pay for 2. Oh. So this means that when we divide them into groups, there are 4 in each group. Divide by 4. This gives us 2, remainder 2. Oh, we got 2 groups. 2 complete groups with 2 more cookies. Now for each of the complete groups, we have 3 cookies that we need to buy. So 2 times 3. And then for the remainder, this is 2 more cookies. So altogether, this will be 8 cookies. 8 cookies we need to pay. Oh. So the other 2 will get them for free. So then we can get the answer, $24 divided by 8. Oh, so this will be $3 here. So let's do the summary. Now this one is also a grouping question. Oh, you see, buy 3, get 1 free. So every 4 cookies will be 1 group. Now after we get the groups, the important thing is you check for remainder. Okay, first divide them into groups and then you check for the remainder. See if we need to pay for the remainder here. So in this question, those 2 additional cookies, we also need to pay for them. Okay, that's for the question 5 here. Alright everyone, after we are done with these questions, let's move on to this section. Oh, the predicted cutoff and upcoming dates for our future events. So for the cutoff points, based on the questions here, we think that it's safe if you get 33 and above for the round 1 math. Then you can proceed to round 2. Since this year's question is much easier compared to the previous year. The last year, 2024, it was very difficult. Also, compared to previous year, now they've lowered the difficulties, so the marks will be higher here. But about the round 1 results release date, it's only released in early October. So now we can check. Now it's only August, and then we got September, then we got October. It's more than 1 month from now before we can get our final results. And you know where is the round 2 test? It's the 14th and 15th of October. So you check early October, the first week of October to the 14th and 15th of October. That's only less than 10 days. Oh, the MOE didn't give us many time to prepare. So we cannot wait all the way until the round 1 results are released and then we start prepare for round 2. That will be too late. Because the round 2 is very different from the round 1. Okay? So everyone, let's take a look at the round 2 compared to the round 1. What are the difference between them? Now let me show you some questions. Now this was from 2024 GEP round 2. You notice that this question was a topic that's tested here. Anyone knows? What are the topics that's being tested in these 2 questions? Can you tell me in the comment section? Yes, very good. This will be the area and perimeter. Right? In the area and perimeters questions, right, you notice that these are not even the basic type. Because you get 2 squares. They are not even aligned to each other. They are separate. And then they want to get a perimeter. They want to get the area of the figure. Now in the other one, you get 2 rectangles. Then later on they separate them, make it into 1 row. Or they want to get a perimeter of the new figure. So these are quite difficult, and these are topics that's not tested in GPA round 1. You notice that in round 1, we don't have questions on area and perimeter, so there will be new topics in round 2. Good. These are the area and perimeter. And second difference. Let's see. This was a question from 2023 GPA round 1. They want us to express the shader as a fraction of the total. Now, compared to another one, This was from round 2. So can you tell me which one is easier? Is the round 1 easier or the round 2 easier? If you think the first question is easier, you can type 1. If you think the second one is easier, you can type 2. Both very easy. Well done. Yes. But you notice that the second one, now there is a hidden information here. We cannot just look at the figure and then get a fraction directly, because we have to cut them into equal parts. Okay? This must be equal regions, cut into equal regions before we can express it in terms of the fractions. But in the first one, it's already cut into 9 equal parts, so we are able to get a fraction directly. So you notice that in the round 2, some of the questions, they will go into greater depth. Even when it's the same topic, it will be more difficult in the round 2. Oh, good. That's correct. And now let's see for these two here. These are the number puzzles question. So you can see for the one in round 1, we only get 2 unknowns, the triangle and the square. But for round 2, now we have 3 unknowns. We have to check for the carryovers and the value for each of them. So notice that for the round 2, it becomes harder even for the same topic. So this will be the second difference between them. And lastly, let's look at this question. It says from these numbers, is it possible to choose 4 of them so that the sum is always 7? If yes, they want us to explain why. If no, they want us to give an example where this does not hold. But we'll notice that in the round 1, is there any question we need to explain our answer? No, right? We only have MCQ and short answers. So for the round 2, okay, we'll notice that some of the questions we also need to explain the reasons behind them. So this is a new type of question. We have to explain our reasons. New question format. So we also need to learn how to explain our method to the examiner clearly, so we can get a mark from here. So let's summarize on the 3 differences between the round 2 and the round 1. The first one is we are going to get new topics. So to be more specific is the area and perimeter. Second one, even for the same topic, they will go into greater depth. So the questions are going to be harder even if it's for the same topic. And lastly, we will get this new question format where they ask us to explain our answers. So due to these differences, the round 2 will be much harder compared to the round 1. So in order for us to prepare for the round 2, we have more activities going on here. Now the first one is the GEP round 2 intensive preparation seminar. We are going to have a seminar for our parents and students. So this will be held on 5th of September, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Now during this 1 hour period, so this will be 40 slots, so the students can sign up for the event. During this period, we are going to discuss what are the key areas we need to focus on for the GEP round 2 math, what are the topics that are being tested, and how we can prepare for them. Now, when you go for this event, you will also get some bonus from here. We are going to give you 4 years of real round 2 questions we have collected from past students. And there will be 3 sets of mock exam papers as well. So all these will be given to you for free. You will get this for free when you participate in the seminar. Now to register for the seminar, so everyone who have attempted our a live review today, you will get a priority here. So after the review today, you can send me a message, say that you have attended the review and you want to sign up for the seminar. So your name, you will get one of the slots here. Okay, so you get a priority for this event. And the next event we prepare for you is the GEP round 2 short-term intensive course. We are going to have a 3-day intensive course. So this will be from 12th of September to 14th of September. Every day it will be a 2-hour lesson, just like our regular class here. Now during these 2-hour lessons, we are going to discuss different topics, and this one, since it's a new thing, we are going to give you a discount. Not like our regular lessons, which is $120 for one lesson. That's very expensive. So this one, 3 lessons is only for $60. And during the 3 days, we are going to discuss 3 different topics. So for the day 1, we are going to do the work problems, those that are tested in round 2. Day 2, we are going to discuss the geometry problems from the basics, or how to solve the area and perimeter, all the way to the advanced questions that are tested in GEP round 2. And for day 3, we are going to talk about the comprehensive problems. So the comprehensive problems are the different type of problems that you combine different concepts together. So that's what we're going to do in the day 3, especially those explanation questions, like the last question from 2024. Those will be the focus for the last day. Now the more details about the sign up for the intensive course will be posted in our study groups later on. So stay tuned for those events. Okay, so everyone, that will be all for our review today. Now if you got any more questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Okay, bye bye. Alright, if you got no question, that will be all for today. Have a good rest today. You've done an amazing job. Bye bye. Good. I've seen your comment. So later on, just tell me in WeChat or WhatsApp, or tell me your name, and then I'll sign up for you. Okay? You're welcome, Joy. See you. Now to join this course here, we are going to post how to sign up for the course in our groups tomorrow. Okay? So all the details will be out later. So no worries here. So let me clarify again. For the seminar, you just send me a message in WhatsApp or WeChat, and then I'm going to register you for the seminar. Okay. So we got the seminar. This will be on 5th of September. Just send me a message that I'm going to know, and then I'll register you for the seminar. Then for this round 2 course, now you can also tell me in the in WeChat or WhatsApp as well. Okay. And then later on, we are also going to post the sign up details for this event. Okay. Good. I am seeing many messages here. Okay. Oh, my contact. Sorry, my contact is here. These are my WeChat and WhatsApp contact. Okay, you can scan them. And if you are not in our study group yet, you can also join our study group. Okay. Just scan the QR code, then you can join our groups. All the details will be posted in the groups. Okay, I will stay online for a while, so just in case if you have any more questions. See you on Saturday. Bye bye. Haha, Isabella, I'm going to see you on Saturday. See you. Okay. Bye.